will discuss about the workflow that a programmatic direct line item goes through when we try to set up or negotiate a deal with the buyer. So let's understand the workflow. And in our previous videos, we remember that we have created the proposal called as DFP training 1 and a proposal line item under it. So whenever you create a proposal and it has a proposal line item under it, the status of the proposal is draft. So what does draft mean? Now draft simply means that you can come here and do any type of editing that you want. For example, you can change the rate if you want. If you want to change the buyer, you can change the buyer under the proposal. If you want to change the line item of the change the type of the line item in the proposal line item settings, you can go ahead and do so. If you want to do any type of change in the targeting that you have done previously, you can come here and do any kind of changes. Now, once you are completely sure that all the fields in the targeting settings, all the fields in the proposal line item, and all the fields in the proposal are correct, you can simply click on request acceptance. Now, before clicking on request acceptance, I want to highlight these three important points, which are number 1, number 2, and number 3. Now, first one is in review, second one is buyer acceptance, and third one is finalized. At present, the status of the proposal is draft. Now, see here. Now, as a status of the proposal is draft, and I'm completely sure that my settings in the proposal line item and the proposal are correct. So I'm sure to send this proposal to the buyer. Now, what does this request accept? The buyer acceptance is. Now, buyer acceptance is the stage when you are completely sure about the settings of your proposal and the proposal line item, and you are confident in sending the proposal to the buyer. Now, when I click on request acceptance, now the proposal will get pushed to the buyer's UI. Now the proposal will get pushed to the, you will be able to see the proposal here as well. Let's click on buyer acceptance and wait. So as you see, the status has changed from draft to buyer acceptance. Now the proposal, now once you click on buyer acceptance, the proposal will get moved to the buyer's UI or in their platform. Now buyer will check this proposal. Now they will review this proposal, and if they are if they are interested, they can accept the proposal on their end. Now once the buyer accepts, the status of the proposal will automatically move to the finalized state. Now this is when the proposal is considered to be sold. Now this is when uh, the deal gets started uh, on hitting the start time and the end time. Now you will have to wait until the buyer accepts the proposal. Once the buyer in their UI reviews the proposal, the status of the proposal will automatically move to the finalized state. So these are the three important workflows that are related in the programmatic direct type of things. Now first thing is you go into the sales tab, you create proposal and proposal line items in it. And when you do so, the status of the proposal is in draft state. Now once you are sure about your settings, you can send the proposal to the buyer. Now once you send the proposal to the buyer, the proposal gets pushed in the buyer's UI. Buyer will review those proposals and will accept it if he feels that it's a good fit for him. And once he accepts the proposal, the status of the proposal will move to the finalized state. At this finalized state, the proposal is considered to be sold. Now when the proposal is finalized, the one most important thing I want you guys to hear is that once the proposal moves to the finalized state, a corresponding DFP order and a corresponding DFP line item will get created under the delivery tab. Now, why is it necessary for the ad manager to create a corresponding DFP order for the corresponding proposal and the corresponding DFP line item for the corresponding proposal line item? Because delivery happens only through the delivery tab. That is why ad manager creates a DFP order and a DFP line item for the corresponding proposal and the corresponding line item. Now once it is sold and once the line item hits the start date, the line item starts serving on the web page or the mobile application. Now this is about the proposal. So we will have to actually wait for the buyer for the proposal to get finalized. And if the buyer does not accept the proposal, there will be no corresponding DFP order. There will be no corresponding DFP line item for the delivery. That means you cannot start this proposal. And one more important thing about the line item, if you see the line item status is not reserved. Now I have selected the type as standard, but we know that the standard is a guaranteed line item. Then the inventory should be reserved. Why is it showing as not reserved? It is because uh, there is no point in reserving if the buyer does not accept the proposal. Now, once the buyer accepts the proposal, now the status here will automatically get reserved. So you don't have to worry about actually reserving the inventory. You don't have to do anything manually. So if you can just wait for the buyer to accept the proposal. Once he does, the status will move to reserved status. Status of the line item will move to reserved status, and the status of the proposal will move to finalized. However, if you do not want the buyer to, if you want to manually reserve the inventory, then you can also do so, but I do not recommend it. Now, last time, we tried setting up the line item, but it didn't got saved because we did not give the expected size setting here. So that is why it was not getting saved. So I'm giving the expected creative size here. Now, as this is a programmatic direct deal, so we don't have to upload the creatives, we just have to give the sizes. This means that the buyer will upload this creative sizes in their platform, in their UI. You don't have to upload the creative. So this is just a size setting that the buyer will always be aware of, because this size will be visible to the buyer, and he will come to know about what size creatives that he will need to create and upload it in their UI or in their platform. So this is about the workflow related to the programmatic direct. So this is quite easy and it saves a lot of time. You just have to remember about the statuses. So I'm just repeating it for a quick recap. When you create a proposal, fresh proposal and a proposal line item under it, the status is draft. Now, once you are sure about the settings of the proposal line item and the proposal, you can send the proposal to the request acceptance button by clicking on the request acceptance button that is available on the proposal page. And after that, once the buyer accepts the proposal, uh, the status of the proposal will move to finalized state. And once the proposal is in finalized state, a corresponding DFP order and a DFP line item will be created in the ad manager UI itself for the delivery of the line item. Now suppose, by mistake you have sent it to request acceptance. I mean, the status is request acceptance, but you want to do any changes. Now if I want to do any changes, I cannot do it here. I cannot do it here right now because the status is in request acceptance. If you want to do any changes, just click on the retract button. That means when you click on the retract button, the status will be again will move to the draft state. Now that means it is editable. See, the edit icon is appearing right now. So once you are again, once you do the changes, then click on request acceptance. So this is how it is done. So whenever you want to make the changes, just click on retract button, and the proposal and the proposal line item will again be in the editable stage, so I recommend that you create a proposal and the proposal line item once in the UI and send it to any random buyer. Just send it to any random buyer to understand the workflows that the proposal goes through in its life cycle, so that you get used to it. So I also suggest that you see this video one more time, and you can also refer to this uh, screenshot here. Now publisher creates proposal line item, publisher request final acceptance, that is buyer acceptance itself. Buyer accepts the proposal moves to sold. Sold is nothing but the finalized state, and the ad manager ad order is created under the delivery tab. So these are the steps that the proposal goes through. I suggest that you remember these steps because it is very easy, because you understand, at what stage your proposal is in. And you can also give a heads up to your salesperson or trafficker and let them know, and let the salesperson know that he can even go ahead and negotiate with them via the email addresses. So so that to get the deal done, mainly you want the business from the advertiser. So this is how it should be done. So till in our next video, maybe we can see about the major, different aspects of the programmatic guaranteed or direct line items itself. So till then, thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day.